So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the second day of Magic of Vedic Mathematics. Yes, so very first thing, again the same thing, gratitude, thank you, and you should pat yourself, applaud yourself if you are able to do this. How fast you could become that you have seen yesterday only. So I welcome you to the second step of learning Vedic mathematics. The first question is, yes, were we able to do the homework? Yes, everyone. Basant sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Neelam,
Yes, sir.
Sarita, Sushil, Josie, Manish. Okay, Manish joined today only.
Yes, sir.
And
afternoon, sir.
okay. Anyone who was not able to do it? Any doubts you can ask, no issues. Any problem you faced while solving the calculations or anything? Any questions you have?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I have a little bit confused in doing the multiplication, sir.
Okay.
Because yesterday I joined lately, so that's why I have a little bit confused on that part, sir.
No problem. Have you watched the video? Have you seen the video?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, so where is the confusion now?
I tried also at home,
No problem, ma'am.
but I have little bit problem to addition some like that, sir. Where to add or which number we have to add like that. Please,
like-
can you see once again, sir?
Which question, ma'am? In 11 multiplication, 111, 4
No,
times
39. You are giving homework, no, 39, 49 like that. I'm doing that one. I done that one also, but I'm confused on that part.
39 was a table.
Yes, table. Yes, multiplication table. Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. Now see, there we learned two techniques of doing the tables. The first technique was when the number is ending with 9. So what are the numbers ending with 9?
49, 19,
Yes.
29, like that.
Correct. Perfect. You got it? Up till here
Yes.
it is clear. Now, see, we use the first sutra, the first formula of Vedic mathematics, that is known as Ikadikena. Ikadikena. If you just break it down, it means ek adhik. Ek adhik means one more
One more.
than the previous. Now the definition is one more than the previous. It is a translation of that Sanskrit. And mathematical meaning means add one to the previous number.
Okay.
Now, correct. So
Yes.
we will apply that Ikadikena on the number before 9. Whatever number or numbers are before 9, we will apply Ikadikena on that. Right. For example, if it was 39, so we'll apply Ikadikena on 3. So 3 becomes 4 because adding 1 to 3, that will give you. If it is 89, now if you have to write a table of 89, that means you will add 1 to 8. So that also becomes 9. If you have to write a table of 179, so then 17 plus 1 becomes 18.
18.
Correct. So you have to apply this formula on the part before 9. Now, when you are teaching it to the kids, they cannot remember the sutra. So to them, you can just say, you have to simply add 1. Correct. So even
Yes.
a third class student, I'll share a video with you where class third students, when they entered the session, they said, we know tables up till 6, 8, 10. And after that class, everybody was clear up till 99. That confidence will help you out. That will help them out. Even the parents will be happy when you will be teaching with these easy concepts. See, if a student is happy, their parents are happy. Happiness doesn't mean just only with music, arts, and everything. Ultimately, academics is very important. And nowadays, we are after this corona, we all are in depression mode. So that needs to be taken out first thing. So for that, Vedic maths is playing a very important role. Correct. Now, I'll give you one example so that every doubt is. Take any table you tried and you were not able to find. Yes, Rajina. And which table you tried?
39, sir. 39.
39 means first thing was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, one thing more. You all are teachers, you are all are adults. So when I was teaching you, I didn't play like a game. But when we'll start with the class, when we'll go for a third class, fourth class, fifth class, we'll first show them a game of TikTok so that everybody gets involved in the class. Otherwise, students, now people who know tables, they take it in an ego. Oh, I know tables. And who don't know the tables, they are in the depression mode. So we have to bring both together. Right. So you have to make your class interactive. You have to make class interesting for them so that first they understand, because even offline, if parents don't say, student will not go to school also. And in online classes also, when you'll be starting with your online classes, you'll not get any student who is coming on his own. Parents are forcing them initially. So your first two classes should be so good that they find it interesting, and then they'll join. Right. So first was 39 completion, because we are writing the table of 39. Second, now, what is the new number we got?
4.
4. So 3 will add to this 3, 4, and consecutively we'll be adding to that. Correct. So 3 plus 4 is
7.
7 plus 4.
7 plus 4, 11.
And we'll go reverse way. 11 plus 4.
15.
15 plus 4.
19.
19 plus 4.
23.
23 plus 4.
27.
27 plus
31.
31 plus 4.
34.
What happened now? 31 plus 4 is 35.
35. Okay.
And 35 plus 1 is 4 is 39. So see, same number repeated. So that means we are correct. So just for tens position, we'll add 0. So 31, 39 was a 39, 39 2 is a 78, 3 is a 117, 4 is 156, then 195, 34, 273, 312, 351. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, now clear.
Okay, so you
Thank
did.
you, sir.
Okay. You were able to download the notes? No.
No, sir.
You did try. It was there in the group. If you see in the group, so many teachers have submitted their homework. See, every day teachers are submitting their homework. Why they are submitting? That gives them the confidence when we say, yes, it is correct. Okay, no issues. Now you can try today.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will try and I will send you homework, my homework.
Yes, anyone has any doubt left? Yes, Basanta sir, Sushil Chaudhary.
Yeah,
Sheila?
that's right. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
This 13 can be written by another also, sir. 3 table and 9 table, and then
Definitely can be done. But the point was for when the number is ending with 9, that becomes more interesting.
yeah.
That is the only point. Otherwise, that the second concept was general. For that, you can write with for any table, right? So that was a major thing. For that, too, you can write with any table you have,
Okay, sir.
right? Okay. Yes, anyone else? Any question, any doubt you face while solving it? Rishabh, did you find any difficulty? Rachna Rai, Manisha. Okay, Manisha is new.
Sorry, no more.
No, sir. No, sir. I didn't find any difficulty while doing homework.
Okay, all clear. Any questions you have? Sheila Podal, Sarika, Sukmaya.
No, sir, no confusion.
Okay, so let's move to the today's session. Now, yesterday we discussed why Vedic mathematics is important. Why should everybody do Vedic mathematics? So we got the answer. It is so useful. It has got so many advantages that everybody should try for that. Sushil, I know we have to start with the new, but before clearing the doubts of the first session, we should not start, right? I hope I'm doing the right way. Because we cannot jump directly before taking the doubts of the first session. This is how I teach. I don't know about you. So the first advantage was our speed increases from 10 to 15 times. Second, no burden of tables. Yes, what was the third advantage? Yes. No scratch work.
Removing silly mistakes while doing the calculation.
Yes, that was also there. Removing silly mistakes. Right. And one in between, one more was, see, these are not the total benefits. There are several other
Increasing
benefits.
the concentration of student.
Yes, that is one very important thing, because that is a question which every parent might be asking you, right? So these were the advantages of Vedic mathematics, due to which one should go for it. Now let's talk about practical aspect. Let's talk about the financial aspect. Let's talk about why should you practice it? Why should you do at this age? Why should you start with Vedic mathematics classes? You all are well settled. Then is it necessary to you, or is it required that you should go for such things? Yes. So we'll discuss that opportunities which are coming this way. Now, people from India, they have enormous advantages. The very first thing, added into national education policy, so it is compulsory. So every school need teacher. And we already know every village has 20 schools approximately. Every small village has, okay, 5 to 10 schools. City has 500 schools, and you can expect big number in big. Now, talking about all the countries or in general, what are the advantages? Yesterday, we learned one advantage. It is very easy to learn and easy to teach, because all of us have done mathematics at one or the other point of time in our life. So it is just basically revising the concepts in a different manner. So very easy to learn and teach. Now, since it is very easy, so you can start with Vedic mathematics classes right from your home. Why I'm saying it right from your home? Because no infrastructure is required. No extra teachers or extra any assets are required. If you have a big home, if you have a separate room, if you have an extra room, you can right away start Vedic mathematics classes. Why? Because every student is facing difficulty in mathematics. Everybody has that fear factor of mathematics, and Vedic mathematics can be the best way to remove that fear. Like yesterday we discussed, what is Vedic mathematics? It is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics, right? So everybody, whosoever feels, yes, I want to earn extra, I want to go for a business opportunity, this is one of the best opportunity in the current decade. Second, financially viable. If people are financially viable, you can start with the training institutions. Now, I hope most of you are from Kathmandu itself. In Kathmandu also, we have started 3 franchises. So one in Kapan area, one in Baneshwar area, one in this other. So why there is a requirement? As already is told, everybody has that fear factor of mathematics. Every school, if you have realized that students are always going for maths tuitions. Yes or no? Maths is always considered as the toughest subject. Yes?
Yes, yes.
So what do? You go for extra classes for that mathematics. So those students, if given the proper training in Vedic mathematics in the beginning itself, they will never require that coaching. They'll not be dependent on the tuition work forever. Now, what is happening these days? A student is going in the school learning mathematics, and after that, in the evening also, they are going for the tuition of mathematics. But for Vedic mathematics, once 3 months done, all the concepts are clear, and then nothing is required lifelong. Right? So that enormous benefits it has. Right? Yesterday we saw how a table can be done very easily. Till now, see, all of you are teachers. You are teaching tables, but that simple application of writing a table of single number one side, other number other side, and mixing it, we never thought of it. Yes, did we ever thought of this? Sushil, Sheila.
No, no.
No, no, no.
So why? Because none of the book. See, if you see with the books of India, Nepal, any country, Burma, any country, you talk about UK, US, no book will ever give you that concept. Because these are the simplest concepts which used to be in our Gurukul system. Okay, right? So you can start with the classes at home. You can start with the training institution if you are financially viable. And if you think, no, I don't want to invest even a single pie, you can take home tuitions. You can start going, you can go to different places and give them the home tuition. This is a work which has started after Corona a lot. People don't want their kids to go out of their even home or societies. So one can fetch that business also, right? These were the businesses, or these were the opportunities you could look as an individual, as an entrepreneur. But if you are looking forward for a job only, then we will be having these job openings are very soon. Even like, if I am talking about myself, I need so many people in Kathmandu itself. Right. Ataria, we launched our Vedic mathematics. We have in 2 different schools. So we need teachers. Who will be teaching? Now we are going for a program in Kathmandu University, Tribhuvan University, to teach all the teachers. They gave me an estimate of 10,000 teachers. Now one alone cannot teach. So many job opportunities are opening in every school for Vedic mathematics. Knowledge needs to be spread, right? And people are aware about the things. And if it has been started in India, it would be very shortly started in Nepal also, because we both belong to the same culture. We have almost everything we have same or common in, right? And if some of you are already running educational institutions, so this subject, this topic, this thing could be used as an additional component. For example, if you're already running a tuition center, so this way you can motivate students more. I'll give you an example, right? After 2 minutes, I'll give you a live example of a teacher who started his journey with Vedic mathematics, and now he's earning a lot. So adding this could be one opportunity for you, right? Already running a coaching institute, you can add it. Already running a computer institute, you can add it. Anything, so it can be added everywhere because the fear of maths is more. And I hope almost everyone, if you talk about any one school also, 80 to 90% of the students are taking tuitions in mathematics. So if you get only 10% of that, you can very well imagine how much you can earn as a Vedic mathematics trainer or teacher, right? It is the upcoming opportunity. Yes, any questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay. So yesterday I gave you a homework. One was homework of solving the calculations. Other was opening a Facebook account or creating a Facebook page and Instagram. How many of you were able to do it? Or do you know the difference between Facebook page, profile, and group? See, if you are not aware, I'll tell you. But if you keep mum, I will also skip the topic. You have to tell me if you know it or not.
I already add you, sir, in my Facebook.
I'm not asking you to adding. That is something different, ma'am. I am asking you, have you created your page? Okay, I'll give you a brief.
No,
See,
no, sir.
why we are discussing about this, why we are discussing about Facebook, because here this workshop is not only for learning. I told you this workshop is for what? It is to learn Vedic mathematics and launch your classes and lead towards the success. So learning part we are doing. Side by side, you also have to see how will you launch your classes? How will you move it on? Without spending also, without any investments. And FB today is the most popular mode. See, all of us are connected to Facebook. And this could be the cheapest mode of advertisement. So that is why we say you should have a Facebook page. I'll give you this brief difference when we'll be going through the slides of launching the center. There are three different things. One is Facebook profile, which I hope everybody has. Second is Facebook page. This is a business page where you get likes. Here you make friends. Here you get likes for your work. And the third is Facebook group. Group could be private or public. That is a different thing. Like all of you, what Rajina, the group you joined, that was a group where you can also post. So in group, people or the members can post. So here you make members so that you all can discuss something. Manoj, there is a disturbance. Please mute yourself. So in FB group, you basically make members and you interchange your knowledge, exchange your knowledge, right? So these are the three things we'll discuss in depth in the coming session. Now, I hope today all are okay. You had elections today, so result out हो गया?
नहीं sir, अभी तक नहीं.
तो सारे उसी में है ना?
We are waiting, sir.
I could feel because all of now just see this. Okay, I think voice is a bit disturbing. I'll give you. See, now who is he? He's Mr. Syed Hussain from Nigeria. He was a maths teacher earlier. If you see the date is 23/4/21. So last year he got the training from me and he did step 1 only. Up till that point, step 1 of Vedic mathematics. What benefit he got? Now he's teaching in the school in a different mode, in a different manner, which is more useful to the students, which is more easy to the students, more interesting for the students. I will not say his salary was increased because that depends on the management. But what he gained, more respect from the parents, more love from the students, and financially more work to teach in the evening. Everybody wants now to learn that concepts, that easy concepts, easy tricks. Got it? So if a person from so far, a person whose language, whose culture is entirely different from ours, if he can learn, can we learn? Yes.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we learn? Acha,
Yes, sir.
very.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, you all from yesterday, can you believe that you all can do at least? What was coming in our minds? Maths, oh, maths is tough. But now you can feel that yes, maths can be done. One more. Now, okay, how many of you are on Quora? Have you ever seen Quora? Or do you know
No.
what is Quora? Everybody
No,
knows
sir.
about Google. Yes, everybody knows.
Yes.
You know,
Yes, we know.
Quora. Just search it today. It is a search engine where you find answers for your queries. Whatever question you will be asking. Suppose you ask, solve this maths question. There would be similar questions on that place. They'll help you solving. It is known as a question bank kind of thing. A place where people ask their questions and the scholars or the people are there who solve their queries. If you will just check it, I'm the most viewed writer in the world for this topic, Vedic mathematics. See, the more you will exchange your knowledge with others, the more you will gain. It is not only that financially gains, there are so many other gains also. I told you yesterday also, when you'll be teaching this Vedic mathematics to the students, they definitely will gain something, but you'll also not lose. You'll also learn how to live life. With that confidence, that with that motivation every time, right? So it is always win-win situation in case of this subject. One more, I'll share. These are the motivating stories. If you think she's a girl of, okay, I'll just brief you. She's a girl of class 10. Now she's in 10. So when she was in class 9 from Assam, Jorhat. She became the first youngest trainer, one of the first youngest trainer. And now she's teaching class 9, class 10, class 12 also. So that interest or that is required. If people from a Nigeria who has no similar culture, he can do. If a girl from of such a small age can do, why cannot we? Yes, we can do.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can.
Yes, sir. We
Manoj,
can do.
Manoj, कहाँ
यस सर
हो
स्कूल में हूँ
जाएगा?
सर हाँ सर बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली सर
Right.
डेफिनेटली
So let's start. Now you feel something motivated. See, always keep on motivating yourself. Yes, I can do. If nothing is possible, stand in the front of mirror and say 10 times, I can do, and see the change in yourself. If at all you face, sometimes you feel depression, go and stand in front of a mirror and say, yes, I can do, and see the difference. Okay, so please take out your paper and pen and let's start our mental exercises. Taken? Start. Let's start. Okay, so the first topic of the day would be finding skills. Let's say of 2-digit number first. We'll start with 2 digits and then we'll go further. Yes. Do you know what is a scare? Yes, Sukmaya? Samyam? Sarita? Jose?
Yes.
What is a scale? How do we find a scale of number?
The power of any number, power of 2 is square.
Okay. Yes, Regina? More simply, if we have to explain to a class 3rd student,
It's into 2.
into 2, into 2.
Number multiplied by itself.
No, just add it. It's like 2 into 2 equals to 4, and 2 square is 4, and 8 into
A
2
number
8
multiplied by itself.
A number
and this
Multiplied by itself. Multiplied by itself.
Right.
yeah.
That is more appropriate. So the nomenclature is generally, it is written like n to the power 2. That means n is multiplied by n. Right. For example, if you have to ask to find a square of 1, so it would be 1 into 1, that is 1. If you have asked to find a square of 2, that is 2 into 2, that becomes now 4. 3 square becomes 9. Yes? So please write down this table first of first 10 digits. You need to remember this because this table would be very important. You'll be finding all the big squares, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits with the help of this table. And another important thing you can is finding square roots with the help of this table itself. So please write down this table and then we'll start. Please write down. Written?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, great. Now, let's start. For example, if I ask you, what is the square of 19? How do you calculate? Yes, Rachna?
19 into 19.
Into 19 into 19. 1, 8. So 170. Correct? Then 0, 9, 1, 1, 6, 3, 6, 1. Correct? This is the way? Or any other way? Is this the way everybody does, or do we have any other way to solve it? Yes, Sukmaya? Please participate, then only you'll be learning. Risha?
I don't think, sir.
You don't know, no problem. Divya? Sushma? Samyam?
There's surely a shorter way.
Okay, it's the only way. Okay, good. Now see, how do we solve in Vedic maths? In Vedic maths, we have around 13 ways to solve. If you see my books, I've written 13 ways to solve, find the squares. But let me give you a very easy one. Step 1. We know square of 1. So what is square of 1?
1.
1.
Let's write in 2 digits, 0, 1. Square of 9?
81.
18.
Done. This is your step
81.
1. Done. This is your step 1. Writing the squares. Second step. We'll multiply all these numbers. That means 2 into A into B. A is your first number, B is your digit at unit place. So what is 2 into 9 into 1?
18.
18. We will not write anything below the 1 and we'll start from here. Add. Did you understand? Okay, one more example first I'll give. 26. So 2 square is 0, 4. 6 is 36. 2 into 6 is 12. Into 2, 24.
676.
Yes, Divya, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who has a doubt?
Sir, can you give me one example?
Yes,
One
tell me.
more example.
What,
Sir, it is a bit confusing. Please, can you share your board and show us there?
board is coming. Board is coming. Have you moved your screen?
Then my network is not working properly.
Because I don't work without board. Board is coming. I have.
Can you give us one more example?
Yes, we'll give you any number you want.
No, it's fine.
Okay, let's say 38. Now you are able to see. What is the square of 3? 09. What is the square of 8?
09.
64. 8 into 8 is 24 into 2.
Oh, 48.
Will not write anything here. Please remember and add it. So 4, 4, 14. Now it's clear.
I'm confused. How
Yes,
did
sir.
that 48 came?
Sir.
48
3
is
into 8 into 2.
into 3 into 8.
8.
Sir, what is of 36?
Oh,
Yes, Rishabh. 36.
6.
3 is 09. 6 is
0,
36.
36.
Here also 36. So 6,
36.
9, 1, 2.
6, 9, 2, 1.
Yes, Ramesh. Rishabh, is it clear?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yes, Josie. Good. Now see, why I asked to write in 2 digits. For example, if you have to write it for 91. So what is square of 9? What is square of 1?
81.
81.
1.
No. Now you need to understand that when you
8281.
have to write 0, 1.
0, 1, 0, 1.
So every time you multiply to single digits, you have to write in the answer in 2 digits. This is a
Oh,
basic you need to understand. First step. Second is 9 into 2 is 18. And your answer is 8281. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do
Yes,
56.
sir.
Yes, please do for 56 here, everyone. Now let me have, and you all have to give the answers. If not able to speak, please send on chat.
3136.
Please send on the chat
3136.
so that we should check who is not answering, who is not responding.
3136.
Very good.
3136.
Only 2 have given the answer till now.
3136. 136.
You need to send on the chat box. Uma has given yes. Great. 54.
64. 저쪽 있었나? 저쪽. 4096.
4096.
4096.
Very good. Good, Sushil. Regina, a bit fast. You are
4096.
36, 16, 6 for the 24, 48. See. So let's be fast because that will give us more confidence. I'm giving you at least 30 seconds to write this. Next topic, I'll not give you even 2 seconds. And you all will be able to do it. So that keep that spirit in yourself, keep that motivation, that confidence in yourself. Right? Yes, everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
But answer is coming from only 2 and 3. Basanta sir, kahan answer? Manoj, Divya,
Yes, sir.
what is
Yes, sir.
here? See, a leader has to be in the front. Yes, 49.
त्यतिको 36 दुना 72
2401.
Okay.
2401.
2461.
What happened? 2 different answers are coming.
5, 6, 7, 7, 6.
36 number
2901, sir. Sorry.
2401 क्या बोले थे सर
What happened? Who gave 2901? $63. Fast.
This
18 दुना
3969. 3969.
46,
What happened?
9, 3969.
Very good.
393.
3969. That's good. 79.
12 my god 1 2 7 8 6 9 10
6241.
4, 1, 2, 6241.
Good. Improve.
6,
Just work on speed. Work
141.
speed, otherwise you're going correct. Kumar,
62.
yes, Manoj. Here is the answer.
6241.
Correct. Divya. Okay, done.
Yes, I already wrote 6249. Sorry, 6241.
सर एक बार मुझे 79 का आप करके बताइए प्लीज
510679.
7 का क्या है? What is here of 7?
49.
Let her answer. He has a confusion.
49 sir
What is
49.
81?
81.
What is 7 into 9?
sorry sir sorry 14 into 9 is 126
See, पहले तो ये समझो 7 into 9 करो, वो easy होगा. 14 into 9 करना मुश्किल
56
लगेगा आपको. 6 into 9, 7 into 9 is 63.
63
And 63 into 2 is 126. तो आपने यहाँ नहीं लिखना, बाकी ये लिख दिया.
okay clear sir thank you sir
83 here.
69.
6889.
6889.
So everybody got it? Who is not able to do? Yeah, not getting your answer. Sushma, not getting. Rishwa.
Sir, I do 6889.
दिव्यानी मैंने प्रिया बोला.
Oh, sorry.
कोई बात नहीं. Josie, are you getting?
yes sir
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting the right
Very
answers.
great. That's great. See, that's what the main. If you have seen my status today, also be motivated, feel confident in your life. Everything would be positive. 2 things: be motivated, feel confident. That's all. Nothing is required. Right. Okay. So, what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99. So what is 99 scale?
99, 81, 81,
701.
9861.
98.
9801.
9801. 9801.
Manoj,
Sir,
क्या
9801.
But see, all of you took around 30 seconds to solve this question. Give me another concept in this where you'll be so able to solve within 1 second. I'll give you. Don't worry. Okay. So everybody clear about 2 digits?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt. No doubt at all.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
Very good. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Anyone has a question? ये बर्तन किसी के बज रहे हैं, please बंद कर दो.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I do one question again? I
Yes.
didn't understand properly.
Which one? Which one, beta? Tell me any question.
Sir, 78. Do that.
Okay, 78. What is square of 7?
49.
Let him answer. Yes, Samyam. What is square of 7?
49.
Did you write the table in your notebook?
No, sir.
Why? I gave the table now. Okay. What is square of 8? Samyam, what is square of 8? See, if you'll not answer, we are all waiting for you, beta. What is square of 8? 64. That is your step. Step 2, 7 into 8 is 56. So 56 into 2 is 112. So 4, 8, 0, 6.
Sir, I
Yes.
understood.
Got it? This is the answer. I'm questioning you again and again. You're not answering.
Sir.
Sir, I answered.
Okay. Yes, anyone
Excuse me,
else?
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I didn't get of 83.
83 also will do. 8. What is square of 8?
64.
64.
What is square of 3?
09.
9.
No, I
09,
told you very
09,
clearly.
09.
Whenever.
Oh, I forgot to put 0 there.
Okay, let me tell you. See, when A is multiplied by B, please understand, it will be AB. So the answer is always to be written in 2 digits. See, if it was 38, then what we do is 0, 9 and 64. But 0 on the left side has no value. But right hand side, the value will be there. Correct? So that is the reason when I started initially, I said, please write the square in 2 digits. So 83 means 64, 09, 83 is a 24. That means 48, 9, 8, 8, 6. Clear now, Rachna?
Yes, sir, clear.
Anyone has any question, please? We'll be moving further to 3-digit numbers. So before that, you can ask me if you have any doubt left. Basanta sir, नहीं कर रहे आप आज? Yes, Manoj, you have raised hand. Tell me. मनोज हाथ खड़ा किया, बताइए.
सर हम इसे बैलेंस से भी कर सकते हैं सर, बैलेंस रूल.
बैलेंस से करेंगे ना अभी. वो अभी आने लगा हूँ.
जी सर.
उसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल है किसी चीज का, भी वो बताता हूँ.
ठीक है सर. थैंक यू सर.
Now let's start with 3-digit numbers. 1, 0, 2. See, I'm again saying this concept, this trick is very useful for 2-digit numbers. But it's not that we cannot do 3 digits. We can do, but slowly and steadily it will become tough. So let's start with this 3. Now, how to do I can have this and this. Okay. Let me give you one different method first. We started with 19. Now, Rachna, you forgot one thing last time to put 0, 1. Now, this method, you don't have to worry. You can also write, what is the formula of a plus b whole square, if you remember?
A square plus 2ab b square
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
plus 2ab.
Correct? This one? But we'll not go that 10 plus 9. No. Vedic maths is entirely different. See, if it would have been your normal maths, you would have given me this 21 square is equal to 20 plus 1 square. That means 400 plus 1 plus 40. So 441. You could have written this way. But in Vedic maths, it's entirely different. See how we do. 2 stands for A, B stands for, sorry, 1 stands for B. And the formula will use A square, balancing line, 2AB and B square. Same formula, but in a different manner. And not addition. Please understand there is no addition sum. And balancing line ka kya role hai? Do you remember? 1 digit at 1 place value. A square kitna bana? 4. 2AB kitna bana? 2, 2, 4 and 1. So answer is simply 441. No addition extra, no bigger headaches. Okay, I'll show you on the plain page. 21 square. Abhi we did this first. 0, 4, 0, 1 and 4. Right, we just did this one. 441. This was your first concept which we learned. Now, another way of writing is, another approach is A square, 2AB and B square. Now, the benefit of in this is, even if you forget to write 0, 1, you will not be in trouble. If you write 0, 1, then also it's okay. If you don't write 0, 1, then also it is okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do the question 48 by this way. By vertically you can do, or you you can say with the help of balancing line. So 48 would be 16, 32, 64, 64. So 4,
2304.
70. 7 will go there. So 2304. Yes, clear everyone? Rachna?
Yes, sir.
Divya?
Yes, sir.
2 more questions on this, then we'll move further. 87 square and 98 square. Please find out. Both the ways now you know.
Seven, 5, 6, 9, 87 square.
Okay.
Nine, 604 is 98 square.
7569.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
आवाज इतनी नहीं आ रही. 18, 21 लोग हैं, 20 लोग. आवाज ऐसे आ रही है जैसे 4 लोग हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Samyam. Now it is clear or not? Uma? Sushma?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I have confusion in last part.
Which part, ma'am?
That ending one.
This one?
Sir, addition
Yes, sir.
one.
Addition one.
Actually, you were absent yesterday. Now, yesterday what we learnt was what is this known as? This line. This is known as balancing line. Now, the role of balancing line is to maintain balance between the lines. Now, so one digit has to be done. Now, I have written here, okay, I'll write on 90. So, A square, 2AB, B square. So, A square means 9 square is 81, 2AB means 144, and B square is 64. So how do we find the answer? See, balancing, now I told this is balancing line. Yesterday we discussed this. Now, the purpose is to maintain balance. So only one digit would be remaining here. Extra will move further. When I move 6 here, what it becomes? 150. So only this 0 will be maintained. 15 will move further. So 15 means 96. Right, Manisha?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, yes, everybody done? Okay. Now, see, I'll take a test now.
I didn't understand.
हाँ Samin, बोलिए.
Sir, I didn't understand how this came.
Which came, beta?
So this 81 and 114 others.
एक मिनट. 81 कैसे आया? What is A square? ये A है 9, ये B है. तो 9 square कितना हुआ? Samyam.
Yes, sir.
What is 9 square, beta?
81.
That is how 81 came. 2AB. A is 9, B is 8. 9 into 8 is 72. 72 into 2 is 144. So this came. B square is 8. 64 came. Today you are not present. Physically, you might be present, but one is switch on your video. See if you want to learn, because otherwise you will always be thinking of so many things. So concentration will come only if you are 100% focusing on one thing. Right? Okay. See, the last time I'm asking if any doubts, otherwise I'll give you a test. Okay. So third, now I'll take a 3-digit number. So what I'll do, let's take this as A and this as B. Any doubt?
No, sir.
That means A square becomes 100. 2AB becomes 2 into 2, 4 into 10, 40. And this is 4. 0 goes here on 10404. Correct? Any doubt? See, you have saved so much of time. Yes, Samyan, this is clear? Otherwise, what was your work? 102, 102. 3 time multiplication. Yes. So which is easy, you can very well imagine. Is this clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now my question is, can I have A as 1 and B as 02? Yes, Neelam, Divya, Basant, Sushil.
Maybe, yes.
Why do you think maybe?
Let me check.
It can be, sir.
Because 0 helps to balance.
Okay. Yes, Neelam. Yes, Basant sir. मनोज
सर क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ A1 हो सकता है क्या B02 हो सकता है क्या यही पूछ रहे थे
चलो आपको सिंपल क्वेश्चन दे देता हूँ
The answer will be not correct, sir. It might be.
02 can be used.
ये देखो पहला तो वही है ना, अब 3 डिजिट आ गया तो मैंने तो जबरदस्ती कर दिया कि ए को डबल डिजिट बना दिया, बी को सिंगल बना दिया। कल को क्लास में बच्चा खड़ा होकर कहेगा नहीं बी 2 डिजिट क्यों नहीं हो सकता।
यस सर, हाँ
तो
मैं भी
इसी-
पूछूंगी।
आपने
But we
पूछा
are not getting answer, sir. Same answer.
why?
Let
That
me
means
check.
we are somewhere wrong. Yes, Manoj.
रेना, अगर तुमको खेलना है तो प्लीज रूम से बाहर जाओ।
There no answer, sir.
हाँ?
No answer. I have no answer, sir. Sir, place
Manoj,
value.
this is wrong. Manoj, this
place
is
value.
wrong. Manoj, this is really wrong. अगर आप इतनी बात कर रहे हैं आज, you talk about that you are a trainer, you are something, and this simple thing.
सर यस सर, मैं भी यही पूछना चाहूंगी, A1 ओके, B02 क्यों नहीं है प्लेसमेंट में, ये क्यों है ऐसे?
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, पहले तो सारे बताएंगे तो सही।
नो सर, आप ही बताना, आप ही को बताना पड़ेगा।
पहली चीज तो आप सारे जीरो को देख के डर गए, ठीक है ना। अब मैं इसको पहले दूसरा क्वेश्चन कर देता हूँ। 121 स्क्वायर। Let's take A is equal to 12, B is equal to
1.
बड़ा सिंपल है। 144, 24 and 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is the answer. Any doubt?
No.
Only one student is there in the class.
No, sir.
तो फिर बता दो, yes कर दो या no कर दो। Yes, Manoj?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
अब
But why 12?
अब एक बात बताओ, if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 12, is sorry 21.
21.
ऐसा हो तो सकता है ना, मैथ्स इज दिस इज ओनली मैथ्स। आप रटे रटाए पे सर तो नहीं करेंगे। अब A1 आ गया, 42 आ गया,
42 आ गया,
41 आ गया। अब क्या करेंगे? अब क्या करना है आपने याद रखो, मैंने आपको कल सिखाया था, दिस इज अ बैलेंसिंग लाइन टू मेंटेन 1 डिजिट एट 1 प्लेस वैल्यू। करेक्ट, यही समझाया था।
यस सर।
तो इसलिए समझाया था क्योंकि हमारा यूनिट प्लेस पे हमेशा एक ही डिजिट था। यहाँ हमने जबरदस्ती यूनिट प्लेस पे 2 डिजिट बना दिए। जब प्लेस पे 2 डिजिट है, दैट मींस एट एवरी पोजीशन we can have 2 digits. So 41 will remain here, this 4 will go here, it becomes 1, 4, 6 and 4, 1. This is your answer.
आंसर सेम हुआ पोजीशन चेंज होने के। ओके,
नहीं, आप नीलम नहीं समझ रहे। अब आपने 2 डिजिट रखने हैं, 2 इसलिए रखने हैं, आपने बी को पहले ही डबल डिजिट असाइन कर दिया
कर दिया।
ये क्यों जरूरी था ये समझना। आप समझिए, ये लीजिए एक क्वेश्चन देता हूं। 7, 1 अगर प्लीज मनोज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर आपने ए को 71 असाइन किया जो करते हैं हम लोग, और बी को 2 किया, तो पहले तो हेडेक आ गई 71 स्क्वायर निकालने की।
जी सर, बिल्कुल।
2 into 2 into 71 निकालने की, और फिर 2 स्क्वायर की। अगर हमने इसको ए को 7 करते और बी को 12 करते, एवरीबडी नोज 12 स्क्वायर, सो 49
यस सर,
एंड 24 into 7 क्या होगा?
Sunny
168. कोई
168.
This 12 square, we all know 12 square, 140,
44.
or 69 and 50. This is your answer. और यहाँ क्या होता, पहले 71 कितना बड़ा निकालते।
सर एज फॉर आवर कन्वीनियंस हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, एज फॉर आवर कन्वीनियंस।
क्यों नहीं पता था आपको?
हाँ नहीं सर, सॉरी। हाँ जी सर, जी सर, थैंक यू सर।
यही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है आपको। देखिए, जब आप सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स को, उससे पहले अपनी नॉलेज लीजिए।
जी सर,
आप वो देने में हमेशा कतराते हैं और वहीं पे प्रॉब्लम है।
जी सर।
चलिए, यस एवरीबॉडी इज क्लियर नाउ। जो आप डर रहे थे जीरो से, देखिए जीरो से क्या था, कुछ भी नहीं। ए स्क्वायर 1 आ जाता। नाउ 2ab P is 02. So it can be written 04. 04. This is your answer. 10404.
Oh, I forgot to join right here 0.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, yes. It's because
Yes, sir.
I canceled the 0. Yeah.
Write down. Now I do this 3, 1, 2 square. Do by both the methods. A as 3, B as 12, and A as 31, B as 2. And check if you are getting same answer or not.
Okay.
Josie, now it's clear or not? You have written some missing 0. Yes, what is the answer? 3, 1, 2 square.
97344.
97344.
97344.
Yes, Manoj?
Yes sir, 97344.
Easy हो गया?
Yes sir, बिल्कुल
दोनों मेथड
definitely.
से हो गया?
जी बिल्कुल सर.
तो हमें अपने अकॉर्डिंगली यूज करना है. वैदिक मैथ्स
Sir.
इसी को कहते हैं. It is the ability to think.
Yes sir, next sir, as for our convenience हम इसको ले सकते थे. ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर.
हमने कभी पता नहीं किया ना. पढ़ाई तो कर नहीं रहे, जॉब मिल गई तो उसके बाद कोशिश ही नहीं करते. This is where, see why we teachers are lacking. Once we got the job, we never try to upgrade ourselves. We never try to learn anything. Ego है, मेरे को तो आता है सब कुछ. See, knowledge
Yes.
के लिए ईगो नहीं चलेगी. आपको मुझे
sir.
even I learn every day from you people. कल को आप ऐसा कोई अभी क्वेश्चन पूछ लेंगे, मुझे भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So that should be the spirit, right? But this method, this loses importance because I told you initially that this is for 2-digit numbers. अब मैंने ये क्वेश्चन दे दिया 769. It's so difficult. Why? Because both the ways 76, 69 tough ही रहेगा. Find out. Then I'll give you an easy concept that you can solve this also within seconds. So we'll go for 3 methods today. First method we are going on. Now after that we'll go for the second. Yes, 769. What is the square? Please find out. You can take A as 76 or B as 69, whatever you wish. Sushil, are you getting now?
Yeah, yes, sir. Trying, but it is difficult, sir.
चलो मैं यही थोड़ी दूंगा. मैं आपको इतना ही दूंगा, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. बट करोगे, देखो टफ लगेगा तो इजी मेथड दूंगा ना. अगर टफ लगेगा ही नहीं तो इजी कैसे बताऊंगा?
Sir, I'm doing.
नहीं, अच्छी बात. I know you have done it.
Sir, it's 591361.
Very good.
सर 76 का अगर स्क्वायर निकाले तो हमें 7056 होगा.
आप ये आपको अभी तो सिखाया 2 डिजिट का. ये लो 49
करके देखिए सर.
484 4085. Two digit.
591361.
Yes. Very good. Yes, Manish, good. Manisha, good. Karo, everyone. Then I'll give you the last question and then we'll move to the next very important topic.
6 का स्क्वायर 64 नहीं 36 होगा ना सर.
अच्छा 6 था, sorry. I took 78. Sorry. Yes, 36 होगा. वो दिमाग. Yes, you are correct. 36. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last. All of you last. 999 square.
999.
ऐसे पकड़ लो कहानी है, ऐसे पकड़ लो, आपको 9 का स्क्वायर भी निकालना पड़ेगा, 99 का स्क्वायर भी निकालना पड़ेगा, 9 into 99 की 50 भी निकालना पड़ेगा. Both the ways. And then, but I want all of you should find out this. You'll take
998001.
You'll take 1 minute, but then I'll give you
99.
a bit. Yes, Manoj, 1 minute, wait.
Sir,
I know you know the answer for this. उनको नहीं पता, they all are freshers. So then I'll give you the concept कि कैसे इसी question को you'll be able to solve within seconds. So first, try to find out 9 square, 99 square, 9 into 99 into 2. This will give you practice and then you can find the answer. So both the ways it would be same. Either A को 99 ले लो या B को ले लो, दोनों तरीके से तीनों चीजें निकलेंगी.
998001.
कैसे निकाला? Please give me the figures if you can.
99 square, 2 into 99 into B, and 9 square.
So what is 2 into 9 into 99?
Sorry, 2 into 99 into 9, 1782.
Very good.
My answer is correct, sir?
Method is correct. Answer, see, we should be on the right track. Answers will get, everybody will get, not to worry. What I asked you, you gave the correct answer, so no more further required. So if I take this, or I take this, what is 99 square? 9801. What is 9 into 99 into 2? 17?
1782.
1782.
And 9 square is 81. So 1 here, it becomes 90. So 0. Right. So 179 if I take, again 0, 8, 9, 9. Okay, so done. So we conclude that this method was very good.
I didn't understand.
What you didn't understand? Tell me.
I didn't understand of 99 square.
Okay. What? How do you take A as 9 or A as 99?
A as 9 and B as 99.
कोई बात नहीं. So what is? How will you write 9 square? 2 into 9 into 99 and 99 square. Correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay. What is square of 9? 981. What is this
81.
value?
0.
182.
Yes. What is 2 into 9 into 99, Rachna?
1782.
Perfect. And 99 square, 9801. Just this we did earlier. Correct? So 01 will remain here. 98 you will shift. Because now you're taking B as 2 digits. So 2 digits will be allowed. If you would have taken B as 9, then 1 digit.
Oh.
Okay, for everyone, please, I'm solving one. Please copy it because I think you all are getting confused. A is 9, B is 99. So then A square will be 9 square, 2 into 9 into 99 and 99 square. Now B is 99, so 2 digits, 9801, 1782, 81. So 01 from here, 98 will go here, it will become 0.
Sir,
Yes.
this is also 5, yeah?
Where?
Sir, I will that do, okay?
Sorry.
This is also 9, yeah?
Which one, beta? Yes, 9. this 9 na 99.
Sir, because that is like very unique, so I didn't understand 5 or 9.
I was doing fast now. Just explaining because already written 999.
Yes, sir. I was just confused because if
So,
I write,
I'm sorry you got confused because of me. Chalo. 188. So again 80 will remain here. 18 goes here. It becomes 99. Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking A as 99 and B as 9. So when I am taking B as 9, that means only one digit would be allowed. So it would be 99 square, 2 into 9 into 99, and 9 square. So 81 here. This is same 1782. This is same 9801. But only one digit would be allowed. So one here, 8 becomes 1790. 0 here, 179 goes. So that becomes 0899. So 9980. So same answer. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write down this because this would be very useful when bigger numbers have to be done. So that's why I have explained you कि अगर 4 digits का करना पड़ा तो ऐसा नहीं करेंगे ना A को 3 digit number कर दें और B suppose if you not do like this, if I ask you 1 2 3 4 square, so you should not do like this 123 square and 4 square. So you should divide it 12 and 34. Correct? But that is not to be done by this method. There is another technique, very easy technique. Up till here, any question you have?
यस सर, मुझे आप एक बार 769 स्क्वायर का बीच का 2AB का आंसर मैं 3 बार निकाल चुकी हूँ, तीनों बार गलत आ रहा है।
चलो कोई गलत का तो कोई हल नहीं है। क्या क्वेश्चन है? 769
का स्क्वायर
क्या लिया आपने? A
मैंने 76 को स्क्वायर लिया, 9 को पीछे का। B is 9, A 76।
तो 76 स्क्वायर कितना हुआ?
7056।
76 स्क्वायर,
हाँ जी 76 स्क्वायर
5776 होता है मैम।
ओके, तो वही गलत हो गया। ओके,
अभी इसका तो हल ही है ना।
नो सर, बीच का भी मुझे एक बार 2AB का प्लीज एक बार कर दे।
2 into 9 into 76 इसमें बताना क्या है, ये तो कैलकुलेशन आपको सीखनी पड़ेगी।
ओके ओके ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन, ओके सर।
कितना आया? वन 1368 और
ये आया वो 81।
ये 8 गया, 8 प्लस 8 कितना हुआ? 16 करेक्ट,
राइट सर।
आ गया यहाँ से
आ गया
137
पीछे गया, राइट।
तो 3 1
10
9 5 Now clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, Divya. Rishabh, Rachna, Sarita, Jose, Manisha, Divya. See, all of you are quiet, so two things are there. All of
it's good, it's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you want scares to be done in 1 second?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
So this technique was to find the scares of 2-digit number, and later we tried for 3 also. Now I'll do one more technique, finding scares of numbers ending with 5 using Ikadikena. Again, the same sutra जो कल किया था, Ikadikena sutra. Now, what is this? So what are the numbers ending with 5?
15, 25, 35,
25, 35, 45,
35, 45, 55,
25,
75,
And you will be
75.
able to solve within seconds. Now, how does it imply? See, I'll give you first one. 15. This answer would be, the square would be into two parts. Left part and right part. Right part would be always 5 squared 25. It is fixed. It will be always there. Now, what would be in the left part? Whatever is this number, we will multiply with one more or ekadikena of this. What comes? What is one more than one?
one,
Two.
Arey, one more than one.
Two.
One plus one is now
and two.
we will multiply this number with one more. So what it becomes? 225. See one more example. 25 steps. So answer is 25 on the back. 2 will be multiplied with one more. What comes after?
3.
2 into 3 is?
6 to 5.
2 into
35.
3,
3 into 4 is? 3 into 4.
12,
12. 5 is the answer.
12, 25.
Correct. 4, 5. So what comes after?
20,
20,
20,
25.
25.
20, 25.
55.
3025.
3025.
65. 6 into 5. What is 6 into 6? 6 into 7?
525.
46 to 5.
42,
42 to 5.
75. Now? 7
5,
into
6
8 is
to
56.
5625.
5.
6,
55.
5, 6 to 5.
7225.
7 to 2, 5.
7, 2, 2, 5.
95.
9025.
9025.
sorry, 2, 5.
105.
105.
11025.
110 and 25.
11025.
115.
115.
Fast. What is 11 into 12? कल किया था हमने. 12 into 11 is 132. 25.
125.
What is 125?
6 7s 42, 6 8s 56, 8 9s 72, 9 10s 90,
1425.
10 11s 110.
No. 63, sorry.
15625. 135 is, what is 13 into 14? 18225. What is 14 into 15?
Oh my God, 14 into 15.
20.
21025.
225. 25.
Yes.
2425.
So how many seconds you are taking? See yourself how fast you are able to do. Is it difficult now?
No, sir.
Yes, still who has not been able to understand this? Yes, Sarita? Yes, नीलम लग नहीं रहा आपका?
सर ये क्लियर हो गया, मतलब ये ज्यादा बहुत इजी वे है.
Yes, Sarita? Josie? Sukmaya, Sushil, Rachna, Rishabh, Mingma, Manisha, Divya, Veena.
Yes,
There is no
sir.
confusion. In case of 5, sir, we are clear.
सर 14 into 15 आपने एक सेकंड में कर लिया, वो ट्रिक भी साथ ही बता दीजिए. 15 into 16 आपने 1 सेकंड में कर लिया.
मेरे को पढ़ाते हुए 1.5 साल हो गया. आपको
करेक्ट
पढ़ाते
सर, लेकिन वो भी
हुए
ट्रिक है.
आपको पढ़ाते हुए 15 साल हो गया. आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे ना. मैं विजुअलाइजेशन कर रहा हूँ.
नो सर, ध्यान दे रही हूँ.
ऐसा नहीं है. देखो वो भी कंसेप्ट है. उसमें क्या है मैं बता देता हूँ. मल्टीप्लिकेशन कई बार क्या होता है आपको सारे ट्रिक्स एक ही में लगाने हैं, करेक्ट। सो वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है 12 into 13 या 12 into 14। अब 100 जैसे मैंने 125 बोला तो एकदम क्या याद आया, सॉरी 115। 11 into 12, 11 into 12 कल किया था हमने,
हाँ कल क्या था?
क्यों नहीं लगाया किसी ने कंसेप्ट कल का?
नहीं उसमें 11 वाले में लग गया था, दिमाग आ गया था।
धीरे धीरे ही चलेगा ना फिर। 12 into 13 में देर आर कंसेप्ट, अगेन देर इज अ वैदिक मैथ्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन। अभी हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन कहाँ सीखा है पूरा?
पूरा नहीं
देर आर 8 concepts of multiplication. Scaling में there are 13 concepts. I'm just given you 2 अभी तक।
ये सर इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में भी 99 into 18 था। 9 वाले मेथड से करना था लेकिन फटाफट दिमाग से निकल नहीं रहा था कि कैसे करूं।
9 वाला मेथड बहुत इजी है। That is too much easy, right? So only thing is visualization. Vedic maths will teach you visualization. कुछ भी आ जाए विजुलाइज करो, खत्म हो गया काम, क्योंकि यू विल बी विजुलाइजिंग विच इज द बेस्ट। मैंने सेकंड चीज क्या बोली? रीजनिंग। सो you'll think what is the best approach for this। 45 को हम क्या जरूरत थी, है तो वही चीज। 45 पहले 16 लिखते, फिर 25 लिखते, 4 into 5 is 20, 40 लिखते, 25। बट क्यों ये आया? किसी ने ये सोचा ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बना? सी फॉर्मूला इज सेम
फॉर्मूला ये वाला सेम था।
अब क्या हुआ? we said ending with 5, that means a becomes 5, so a square remains a 10a और इधर 25। so this means a square plus a 2 and 5। a square a का मतलब क्या है? a into a plus 1 I can say।
yes।
और वो एक साथ कर दूं तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
25।
This was the formula. This is known as using your Ekadikena concept. A means whatever is the number, multiply with one more। See, I told you yesterday also। देखिए कल हमने जब टेबल्स किया था तो एक में सीधा ही +1 ऐड करके उसको यूज किया था। आज हमने उसको सूत्रा का मतलब वही है, बट implementation can be different also। Like today we are multiplying with the Ekadikena, correct? ऐसे ही different आएंगी। Yes, anyone has any doubt now? And again,
Sir, I was disconnected while you was doing that. So can you do it again?
which one should I do it again?
So that 1 second tick.
Second. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me any number ending with 5. Any number you tell me.
25.
25. So the answer will be this number. The first number, the number before 5, you have to multiply with one more। मतलब उसके बाद जो number आता है। What comes after 2?
3.
So 2 into 3 is
6।
Yes, Samyan, what is 2 into 3?
6.
So bolo beta, and this 5 will always give me 25. So answer becomes 625. Similarly, if it is 45, what comes after 4?
5.
So 4 into 5 is 20 and 25.
Oh yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Practice homework नहीं किया ना समयन कल?
Sir?
कल homework किया था?
Yes, sir.
You didn't submit it?
Sir, we have to submit in WhatsApp.
उसमें नहीं, WhatsApp में नहीं, WhatsApp में भी किया लोगों ने, ग्रुप में भी किया। It has been written in English. English तो आती है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Then see, if you will not practice, then how will you get through? एक दो दिन की workshop में you cannot learn everything, beta, but you need to practice also. Okay. Now, so this concept is clear.
Yes,
now
sir.
we'll go for third method, finding square by universal trick, universal method I'll say। इसका benefit देखो अभी। अभी 999 में, चलो 999 का I'll give you example later. First we started with finding square में first example I think we took 19, correct? Now in this method it works on the principle of a plus 1 into a minus 1. Correct? Samyan, please switch off TV or whatever is there disturbing. Now, my target is I change this unit place to 0. How can I get it changed? बोलिए 9 को 0 कैसे बनाएंगे? Yes, everyone. Neelam.
1 ऐड करके
1 ऐड करके या 9 subtract करके. Adding 1 or subtracting 9. So what I'll do, I'll add 1. It becomes 20. Whatever is added, that has to be subtracted also. अगर पहले subtract करोगे तो add. So 19 minus 1 is 18. Now multiply these two. 18 into 2 is 36 and 0. And to this add the square of 1. It becomes 3, 6, 1. One more example I'll give you first, then we'll understand more. आप इसमें confused हुए थे 999 में. You found 9 square, then 99 square, then 9 into 99 into itni problems की. Now how can I get 0? I just add 1. It becomes 1000. I subtract 1. It becomes 998.
8.
Multiply this. It becomes 998 000. Most easiest thing to multiply with 1000. And to this add square of this. Answer is 998001. No calculation, no finding of 9 square, no finding of 99 square, no finding of 9 into 99. Only adding 1 and finding the result. Yes, Divya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I don't think. Similarly, okay, write down first both. Write down this. Then we'll practice.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
After multiplying, we need to add plus 1.
No, we need to add whatever we added or subtracted. I'll give you more examples. Here it is plus 1. I'll give you one more example. Write once. You have to add square of this. Either square of this or this. Any one. So it is 1 square is 1 only. I'll give you more examples, then you'll be clear. First write down this. I'm sharing you another example. Okay, see this. Let's say you have to find a square of 23. So 23 means minus 3, it gives 20. Plus 3, it gives 26. What is 26 into 2? Yes, what is 26 into 2?
52.
52.
And
0.
Square of 3 is?
9.
529 is your answer.
529.
Okay. Now, it is not necessary that you have to add or subtract 3 also. If I add 7 here, then it becomes 30. So whatever is added, it has to be subtracted. 23 minus 7 is? 23 minus 7?
16.
So what is 16 into 3? 4x. And add 49.
49.
529. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Not.
Any number we can add or subtract.
Any number you can add or subtract. The target is making 0. Why 0? Because then calculations become easy. You can easily multiply with a single number. See, basically our aim is making it single digit. 0 is always added at the last. So multiplication with 0 does not affect. Yes, Sarita, is it clear? Samyam?
Yes, sir.
Neelam? Manoj?
sir.
Sushil?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Minkma, Jose, Sushma.
Sir, I didn't get it.
Rachna, if I'll not ask, that means you'll not question me. Why is it necessary for me to ask every time to understand?
No, I was going to answer, but I thought I understood what. Then I think I
Give
did
me
not
any
catch
question.
it well.
Give me any question. Let's talk about 38. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, how can you make it 0?
Plus 2
5 minus 8
or plus minus 8.
Okay, minus 8, let's say. So it becomes 30. Now here I have subtracted. I have to balance. Same I have to add. So adding will become 46.
Yes.
So what is 46 into 3?
138
and 10 also. What is square of 8? 64.
64.
4. Correct? Now,
correct.
Now, now you took a difficult task. Plus 2 was also possible. Then it becomes 40. Minus 2 also. So that becomes 36. So 36 into 4 is 144. And
144. Answer plus 2 square.
Why?
148.
1444.
See, you are multiplying with 4, but 40, it was 40, na? So 0 has to be added.
Oh, yes, yes.
Now clear? Anyone has a doubt?
Sir, how did that 138 came?
What is 46 into 3?
I forgot to add.
46 into 3.
46 into 3?
I'm not getting. Please switch on your camera because I'm not able to understand who is asking the questions. 46. This was to be multiplied by 3. But then, see, it is to be multiplied by 3.
Why 3?
Okay, you directly multiply by 30. Then what will you do?
46 directly multiplying with 30?
Can you multiply by directly 2 digits?
No.
Okay, listen to me. If you have to multiply 46 with 20, can you not do first 46 into 2? That is 92 and add 0 at the last?
Yeah.
That is more simple, na? So
Yes,
46 into 3, if it is 30, I'll multiply with 3 first. So 8, 138 and add 0 at the left. So that is what I
now
did.
I get it. Okay,
That is what I did. Here also, see, that's why 0 is being taken, so that you have to multiply by only single digits. You don't have to do with double digits. Got it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Got it.
64 came here.
Sorry?
How did it 64 came here?
Square of this number, whatever is added or subtracted, this 6. Here it was only 4 because 2 is added and 2 is subtracted. So 2 square. Here 8 square is 64.
Okay, sir.
Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
please,
sir.
please solve 97 square then. Everyone has to give the answers in the chat. If you're not giving, then I'll understand that you're not in the class. You're physically not there, mentally not there.
Nine 9409.
9403.
409. 9409.
Very good.
Sorry,
Sheila,
9.
Sarita. Very good. Very good. Sushil is doing good.
9409, sir.
Very good. Rishabh, some typing mistake is there?
Yes, sir.
Done. No problem. 113 square. Please find out 113 square now. Very good, Samyam. If you are able to do this, then you'll be understanding everything. Good. Good, Rachna, Regina. Great.
Sir, 97 square is, answer is 9409.
12769.
Yes, everybody is giving in the chat box. You also can give.
Okay, okay.
And it's too, you're too late. Now 113.
7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
113. So what I'll do?
Minus
Minus how much?
12769.
5 minus 3. Why not minus 13 itself? 126. Most simplest answer. 126. Because multiplying with 1 is easiest thing. 2 zeros. And 169. So 12769 is the answer. Yes, Samyan, are you able to solve this question, beta?
Sir, can't we do just -3?
You can do it. Okay, tell me now. I'll ask you a question, then you have to answer me also.
Okay.
Now, if you are 113 minus 3 becomes 110.
Yes, sir.
And this becomes 116. So 6 multiplied by 11. It becomes, okay, here it was 11, so you know the trick of 11. Otherwise, it was difficult. So that is why I did directly 13. Got my point? 116, it's okay. 1276. You got it.
126.
Added, became this one. So both the ways it is correct, but please try to understand whenever you can make both it zeros. That would be more convenient because then you are multiplying with 1, 2, or any single digit number. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
otherwise, see, Vedic maths is giving you the flexibility. You have all the options open. Anything you can do. Correct? So like
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more I'll give you. 200 and okay, 203.
Four 1209. 41209.
Yes, others?
43209.
सुशील 4 तो देखो आई सकता यूनिट प्लेस पर. Yes. So 203 minus 3 becomes 200. Very simple. Becomes 206. So 206 into 2 is very easy. 412 00 and 9. So 41209. Finish. And otherwise, in normal procedure, you would have done 203 multiplied by 203 conventional way. In Vedic maths, we just learned 20 and 3 or 2 and 0, 3 combination. This is another trick. See, that is what I told. There are so many tricks, so many concepts in Vedic maths that you can opt anyone. It is your skills. It is the way you will observe. It's not like conventional maths, we have only one way to do. And if we don't understand that, we'll never be able to do anything. So you have so many ways. It depends on your feedback that how you go to and connect with that question. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Okay, see, I'll take a very big number. 499. This is 7. So what I do? 5,000 and minus 3. 499. Oh, so multiplying with 5 is very easy. Or if you are not aware, divide by 2. But okay, do this question. Still, I don't have numbers of so many people. I don't have Manisha, your number, WhatsApp number, because so many of you have not registered also. So certificates cannot be issued if you have not registered, right?
Sir,
Sir, I have registered.
2497229.
Okay.
Oh,
249.
97.
All of those who did not get message from my side, you can share your WhatsApp number here. WhatsApp number, please. I'm telling you, because 2 people registered and they were not in the WhatsApp, so we could not send them the homework and all.
9700.
What happened, Sushil? Your answer is 897 and others are giving
Sir.
24. Itna
Sir,
difference nahi hona. Hanji.
4977.
Hmm.
The question is 4977.
4997. 4997. ये रहा ना क्वेश्चन. अब देखो ये फर्स्ट ट्रिक से अगर ये करने बैठ जाते तो हम कितना देर लगाते. 49 का निकालते और 97 का निकालते, फिर 49 into 97 into 2 निकालते. Divya, I have for you because I have already shared you. Only those who have.
But I didn't get yesterday in my WhatsApp.
Just hold on. Just hold on. If you didn't get, why didn't you ask? Because I told I'll be sending everyone. See, this much responsibility you also have to take. If you're not getting something, you should ask immediately. I'll be there to help you out. Divya, why?
Yes, sir.
See, you have, it's blue tick, homework tables of 39, 49, 89. Then today also you got the link.
Yes, that number is my husband, sir. 9851.
How can we see you registered with that number only? So how can we?
Yeah, that number. I gave you yesterday my number. No, that's why.
What I could see on the certificate. Okay, not an issue.
Okay, no problem, sir. If there is an, I will see the homework.
Chalo, any doubt left?
Nothing, sir.
So all 3 ways. There are so many other concepts also. Numbers ending with 6, numbers ending with 4, numbers ending with 25, numbers ending with 9. There are so many concepts and verbal also. Right? So we'll learn later. Okay. Now coming to the second part of the session, that is how to launch your classes. Correct? So we'll move towards that. So this was where we started writing the table, and then the first concept was like 23 square of 2, square of 3, and leave the unit place and write the answer. Correct? As we do in the multiplication process, the same thing we do, and we get the answer. Thereafter, it was, yes, so we did, second method was using E Kadikena Purvena, A into A1 and B square. So we got the answers. Third was the easy approach. 26. So 26 can be done as plus 6 minus 4. And you get the answer. So all these notes would be available so that you don't forget the system. Correct? You don't forget the concept. So you can download that. If in case you find it difficult, you can write to me on the WhatsApp. I'll share you. So now the second topic was cubes. But before cubes, we'll be learning how to launch down your classes. Right. Now, so this will have a bit of theory part. So please, in case you are not understanding anything, you can re-ask me wherever you find difficulty. Correct? So what all things are required for the starting of your classes? Very first thing is a thorough course idea and plan. Now, what do I mean by this? It does not mean that you should have all the books, all the material, all the content for that. No, but you should have a basic plan how I will implement. Now, for example, if I give, you might have seen so many advertisements. Learn Vedic mathematics. Does that appeal you? Or an ad which says Vedic mathematics for teachers. That appeals you. Or for this student only, class 3rd only. See, that is what is mean by planning. That is what is, you should understand the customer's requirement. We always start a project without planning for whom we are implementing, or whom is our customer, who is our client. Just learn Vedic mathematics from the best teacher, from international teacher. All are international teachers now. That does not make sense. You have to be specific, because your teaching standards and teaching levels will also differ as per your clientage required. For example, now if I have to teach, or if you have to teach a class 3rd student, will you teach the same content to the 3rd and 9th student?
No.
Of course, no, because the level of understanding differs. If you have to start with a teacher training program, can you start it with the students? No, because their requirement is entirely different. So you have to divide the client, and you have to choose which suits you best, or with which you can work in a better manner. So you have to finalize, are you looking to train students? Are you looking to train teachers? Or are you looking to only train the people who are appearing for the competitive examinations? So 3 entirely different categories are there. Now, if you are selecting with the students, again, you have to bifurcate. Again, you have to divide. You'll get the maximum clients of class 3. Why class 3 too? Because that is the age when mothers are very much concerned. Because the student has just joined a senior school, a primary school, right after the preschool. So it has gone to a senior hands. They are very much concerned. So 90% of the inquiries you will be receiving for class 3rd and 4th only. 2nd also. Now 3rd, 4th, 5th, you can have one category, because all these students have a same IQ level. But the moment class 6th, so 3rd, 4th, 5th is one level, class 6th, 7th, 8th is another level. But 9th and 10th, they have to be separated from these. So if you are distributing it class-wise, you can have 1st as 3rd, 4th, 5th, 2nd as 6th, 7th, 8th, 3rd as 9th and 10th. Then 4th as competitive, that is for 11th and 12th, because they don't want which sutra is to be applied. They don't need it. They don't need these 3 methods or 13 methods of finding the square. They just need 1 method or 2 methods to crack it. They don't have that much of time. But as a teacher, when we are talking about a teacher training, then a teacher should know everything. Because today what happened? I'm not naming. One who thinks that I have learned everything, and then when a student asks you something and you say, I don't know, what reflection you will be giving? And what happens after that? Will that student continue with you? No way. Yesterday also I told you the same thing. After Corona, you have got global market. That is 100% correct. But apart from that, you have got global competition also. So your knowledge, your content and delivery has become the prominent things. It's not whatever you are teaching, people will blindly follow you. Not at all. Every subject, every topic is available free of cost on YouTube. Even if I talk about Vedic mathematics, so lakhs and lakhs of lectures are available. Why will people pay and learn from you then? Because you have a different way of teaching. Content is good, your delivery is good. So that you have to focus on. So all your matter, if you launch the classes, first thing is your advertisement. Your advertisement should depict very clearly for whom you are advertising. Is it for class 3rd, 4th, 5th? Is it for 6th, 7th, 8th? Is it for 9th, 10th? Is it for competitive, or is it for teacher training? Because if you'll not mention that, either you will not get the calls, you'll not get the leads, or whatever you'll get, that will not suit you. Now you cannot have one student coming for 3rd class, one coming for 6th class, one for 9th, and one for teacher. How will you mix all those? That is a point, right? So in your words, in your content, in your advertisement, this should be very clear. That is why I always, when people ask me, will I be able to teach people after your course? I say course is a very big thing. You can start even after this workshop. See, whatever you learned yesterday, tables and multiplication, that is very important for class 3, 4, 5. And those students will at least take 10 sessions from you. So 10 sessions means 20 days, because if you are giving them at alternative day, or if you are giving 2 classes a week, then finish 1 month. So you can teach. And what we are learning today, it is important topic of class 8. Next topic is again class 8. And next is far, far easy also, and very important, because it's very difficult to multiply 3 numbers together. So the only thing you require is your willingness. If you are ready to start your classes tomorrow, you can send me a message. Yes, I want to start. I'll give you every support you want. And you can launch your classes. What is to be done? Nothing. You start giving the lecture. That's all. But that confidence and motivation should be there. If you are not confident, you are not motivated, how will you motivate or make the students confident, right? So that should depict, that should reflect from your identity. Correct? Any question you have? So this is the first requirement, a thorough plan. What I'm going to teach, what I'm going to train, for whom I will train. Everything should be very much clear in your advertisement, in your content, in your talks, because parents might call you and your coordinator might say, oh, no, we teach only 9th class. So that should be very much clear. Then a second requirement is, so these are the 5 requirements when you are going to start your classes. Second requirement is the email list. Now, actually, it's not exactly email list. You may say it as a client list. You may say it as a contact list. Because when you launch the classes, at that time, you don't have inquiries. You don't have leads. You don't have people whom are you going to teach. So online, the best thing is you get email IDs. So you can refer those. You get the contents through Facebook. You can ask, you can show your advertisement to them. You can directly send mailers to schools. Like we got it, right? I met sir long back, and now we are doing. So this is how you need to approach. Correct. So content list, contact list, doing business online is very easy also. The only challenge is you should be confident and motivated all the time. That is all what is required. No investments are there nowadays. See, if you talk about business setting up of an office, even if you just plan to set up an office offline, you know how much investment you need. First, get the building ready, then get everything, then keep a staff. And online, you need a laptop, you need an internet connection, and you can start it. So content and delivery are most important. Now, the third thing comes is sales page. How will you advertise? Now, in general, in offline mode, you go for a newspaper, you go for a TV, you go for pamphlets, you go for hoardings, boards. But if you just calculate the amount, that amount is such a huge that sometimes businesses fail just because of advertisements. Because you are not able to bear the cost of advertisements, they come far than what you are earning initial days. But online, it is entirely different. It depends on how much you want to spend, right from $1 a day to whatever amount you want to spend on internet. There are so many ways by which you can advertise free of cost also on Facebook and Insta, and there are paid services also. But it entirely depends on you. Whom are you targeting? Whom are you looking for? And which area you are looking for? And this you are very much clear. Everybody is on social media. So social media advertising is the best way to communicate today, to get the leads, to get the inquiries, and that too free of cost also. What you are investing? Your some amount of time. But the only thing you have to answer back. You might have seen, you visit some place, you visit a hotel, you visit a restaurant, immediately you receive a message from Google on Facebook. You visited this place. How was your experience? So this is retargeting. This thing we should understand. Right. The fourth important thing, how to take the payments. Ultimately, you are working what for? Payments. So that is very much important. The mode of payment should be very clear. How to take the payments. Now, if I talk about all the countries, let's say if you are putting up in Nepal and you're working for Nepal only, then you have a very easy technique, e-seva. But if you have to take it from foreign, or in India, we have GPay, PhonePe, Paytm. We have so many wallets like e-seva you have in Nepal. And in London, I'm not sure about this. Canada, I'm not sure about the because I'm getting through wire transfer or I'm getting through Western Union. So payments, you have to be very much clear how you will accept, and you have to guide that also to your client, because it happens sometimes the person gets stuck on that only. So payment, because ultimately you are working for payments, so that is must to for the show to go on. Right. I'll give you the brief details of different modes when in the next slides. And the fifth feature, terms and conditions. Now, this is a thing which you cannot copy from others. Every person has his or her own terms and conditions. There are people who are say, I'm giving training free of cost. There are people who are charging a huge amount. There are people who are charging a medium amount, or people who are taking groups. Some are who are taking in single one-on-one, or they are offering some features. So when you are working, you know what suits you the best, what terms and conditions you can have the best. The only request I would make is to everyone, see whatever you charge, but definitely charge something. Never offer your trainings free of cost. Because if you will not value your time and your money, the person in front of you will never. Right. So first, you should value your money. You should value your time. Otherwise, people take it, oh, I have attended. He'll be on you only. And why not you should charge? You are investing your time on that. You are expecting, and everybody, don't mind, everybody has sufficient funds to pay. Yes, there are people where you can help also. There can be a charity organization, but that is a secondary thing. But never think that if you'll advertise, learn this thing for free of course, you'll get 100 of people. No, you'll not get even a single then also. Because everybody had got that mentality that if you are offering something free of cost, you are not offering something good. That might not have any value at all. So value yourself, value your product, value your time, and then see the difference. Clear? Any doubt? These were the 5 points. Yes, Josie, Neelam, you need
I
how
have any doubt, sir. Correct.
you need to understand this, right? Okay. So ultimately, the thing is, you need to understand content and delivery are the most important things. You need to work only on these two things. If you talk about Vedic maths, you'll get the content from me. Every book, see, our books have been nationally awarded. So the books have the best content in them. But even after that content, how to teach, that will differ. There are students, my students who have taken the books, who have gone through the books, who have become the trainers. And there are still people who are struggling. Now the content is same. But what efforts you are putting in, how much you are training, how much emphasis you are giving on the training, how much impact training you are giving, that all depends. Correct? Okay. Now, very important things. When we start advertising, when we start promoting our projects, when we start promoting our classes, what is required? Eye-catching content. If you see my profile, if you see my page, every day there are some new advertisement flowing. People get attracted and they like it or they reject, whatever is the case. So that means you need to have eye-catching content. What is that? That means media, graphic, images, videos. That all is required. Right? Yes, offline, the investment was huge, but here at least you have to make something, some brochures online, posts for yourself. Now, where to get it designed? Yes, Sushil, some videos are in YouTube, but I don't give my classes videos. For workshop, I do give it, but for my classes, since they are paid, I don't advertise because my system of working is entirely different. I don't give video lectures. I take live classes, I solve your problems, and then we record it. Like today, it's not predefined. I have not written some questions and I'm teaching you those questions. It is whatever question is coming from your side, I am solving it out. So that is the reason I have not made videos based on fixed videos. It is with every class, maybe it is the same topic, but the questions would be entirely different every time. Whatever is coming in mind that time, and whatever my students are asking me the questions that are there. But all those videos, or all the 48 batches we have done till now, they are in private mode. That you cannot see. You can see all the videos of Ask Me Show. You can see all the videos of our workshops. And when you start training, I'll teach you like we are learning right now. And then after the class, we'll be sharing you the video of your class, not for the class which has happened a month before or 2 years before. No. So my way of teaching is entirely different. I take live classes first, and I give you the video of that class only. Right. So where to get these images designed? You might have heard about Corel, Photoshop, and Canva. How many of you know Canva? Yes, Neelam, Rishabh, Canva.
No, sir. Today I first time heard about it.
So how did you? Okay, Neelam, how do you post on social media, how do you post? How do you make design posts?
I never did, sir.
You never did. You are an Ayurvedic doctor, na?
Yes, sir. But मुझे कभी एडवर्टाइजमेंट की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. मैं पेशेंट के थ्रू पेशेंट आते थे, मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं, सर.
नहीं पड़ती, मुझे मालूम है, but क्या होता है कि see when you have to you're posting something, so it should look good also, right? Now earlier we used to get it done with Adobe Photoshop and Corel. That was the old way. It used to be, for that you need somebody who can design your things. But Canva is very handy tool. Like we are using Instagram, like we are using Facebook, same Canva is there. Canva is the which you can all use on your laptops as well as on mobile. It is an app for designing. And you have lakhs and lakhs of templates there. Templates means pre-designed pada hai. If you write for maths, there are thousands of designs for mathematics. The only thing is you need to change the photograph to yours and content to your requirement. So it is very good software, right? Corel, Photoshop, everybody cannot do, and they are not not be done on mobiles. They can be done only on the laptops, right? But Canva is the best which you can work on. Then videos. Now some of you, they are not coming online. They are not coming on the camera. They might have that shyness. So today I'll give you the how to give some long, you can say, lectures on the net. Now, initial days, what happens? You are not able to speak because you cannot remember and speak. Correct? Yes, this is a problem. You cannot remember the content and then speak. So you get shy. Ki, oh, I will forget in between. Right? You write down the concept, everything. You do good. Yes, Manoj. Online mein problem aati hai. So what is a good for this? There is an app called teleprompter. So what is teleprompter? It means read the script and record. See, you hold the mobile in such a way. You can hold the mobile in front of you. In teleprompter, whatever you have written, that will flow in front of you. That will float in front of you. You can keep on reading and you can speak. Nobody will be able to judge that you are reading and speaking. Right? You can face the camera and you can hold the mobile in front of you. You can read and you can speak. Isn't it good?
Excellent.
रट्टा मारने की दिक्कत ही खत्म हो गई. नहीं, I'm telling you, giving you the practical failures kahan hota hai. This is a hardcore truth. We all have that feeling because initial days you'll try to remember your lecture. See, later on, definitely with practice, you know everything. Then words don't matter. Kaun sa upar chala gaya, kaun sa niche chala gaya. Initial days, you want whatever is in your book or whatever is in your notes, you want to speak the same thing. And at that time, you stumble in between. Right? So that is the best way. Teleprompter is a software. You can note down the name. Teleprompter. This is, I'll give you the example. In earlier days, not now, in 90s, in Doordarshan, now in India, it was Doordarshan, your channels, the TV anchors, they used to have TVs in front of them, if you have seen. So what was there? There also the same thing was going on. The content was written in front of them and they were reading and speaking. So that is known as teleprompter. Read the script and record. So it's very easy. Hold the camera like this. So you can try today. Got it? Any question? Okay. So you can take a screenshot of this. This will give you where you can get free images, videos, music, fonts, ideas, color palettes, and whatever. For videos, like for designing, I told you Canva. For videos, there is InVideo. There is Vimeo. For images, there are Pixabay, Pexels, Vidplay, Unsplash. music, free music. So all those are the content you can take from there, right? These are the resources. Many of them are free of cost. So you please take out the screenshot of this. Done. Okay. Now coming to the sales page. The third point we discussed, first was a thorough plan. Second was in content list, contact list, and the third was sales page. Now, what is sales page? I told you it is a page, a platform where you can launch your classes. Now, before that, you need to decide, you need to think over it. Are you going for a recorded classes or are you going for a live sessions? So what is the difference? Like Sushil was asking me, are your videos available on YouTube? Yes. So many videos are not mine also. Every trainer, they are available. But can we learn maths by just watching the video? If this would have been the case, nobody would have been failing in any subject. There would have been no schools at all. Everybody would have learnt on videos. But and for particularly, if I talk about mathematics, without practice, can we understand just by watching a movie, a video? Yes, Neelam, Rishabh. Zyada ho gaya? Boring?
No, sir. No, not at all, sir.
You have to decide. See, when you are launching your classes, you have to decide whether you are going for a. Sushil, this is important because it is the second part for teaching. I know you are into jobs, so you don't need a more opportunity for this. But this was a part of curriculum, no doubts. 5 minutes after, we'll start with cubes, right? So 5 minutes, bother it. Now, recorded or live sessions. So what do you think? What are good for mathematics? Subject like mathematics. Recorded sessions or live sessions? Yes, Neelam, Divya. What suits you? Then you have to decide what client requires. Yes, Beena.
Live session best है sir.
Maths practice के बिना नहीं आएगा ना. Math सबको भी पता ही है ऑलरेडी. YouTube पे बहुत से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं, पर क्या हम सब कर पाए? मनोज, what about you?
जो 9 वाला आपने सिखाया था, मैंने YouTube पे कई बार देख चुका है. उस समय समझ जाते हैं, लेकिन दिमाग में नहीं रहता है. जब हम लाइव सेशन लेते हैं, प्रैक्टिस भी होते हैं, डाउट्स भी क्लियर होते हैं, इसीलिए हम आगे बढ़ पाते हैं. ये चीज दिमाग में मेमोराइज रहती है.
That is what. So if you feel this, so then decision is very easy. The same your client will feel also, right? So this decision was very important, whether we should go for live sessions or recorded. Second major important thing is one-on-one or group. Now this depends on the financial status. See, before Corona, people were ready to pay anything. But now everybody has reduced the size of the pockets. Yes, I do agree on that. And that is the reason why we are taking group sessions nowadays. Everybody is going for group sessions. Clients also, and the trainers also, in every field. Right. So that you need to decide. Because you cannot, even if you are not, you are charging very less, then also you are spending on electricity, you are spending on internet connection, you are spending on even like Zoom. You must have a paid Zoom app, then only you can take classes of 2 hours, 3 hours. Otherwise, it would be restricted to 40 minutes, right? Now, so what are the sales pages? What are the examples? Now, again, it depends on, are you going for free, open webinars, workshops, meetings, classes, or you want for restricted one? Now, open means, now you might have seen Sometimes you are on Facebook and you receive a notification XYZ is live. What is that? You got an information from Facebook that X person is live. You can also connect to them. See how much support Facebook is giving without charging anything. Same is Instagram. Now it depends how to assess that, how much you utilize that opportunity. So similarly, you can host your workshops, your webinars, your meetings, your classes on Facebook. That is absolutely free also. And yes, if you want for charge, there are options. Instagram. So you can just connect with it, make it live, and you can speak up. Similarly, YouTube. You can anytime connect and make it live. Now, how many clients do you get at that time? That depends, because how many people are or your friend circle is present online that time. That depends. So that notification will go to all your friend list. How many would be interested in your business, in your topic? They will connect to you, others will not. Now, if did you observe this thing? When you are posting something related to your family, your friend, or your kids, or something, your travel tours, you get number of likes. But the moment you are posting regarding some business, I'm running these classes, nobody likes you. You're not receiving any likes, any comments. Have you faced that situation? I think nobody is using that. Okay, no problem. So for free or open webinars, workshop, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp group, applications like Udemy are there. YouTube and LinkedIn. LinkedIn also, but LinkedIn is bit restricted. It provides to certain clients who are paid clients. Otherwise, it's not open like other social medias. Right. So these are the options which you can start any moment of time without paying even a single penny. So see how easily you can launch your online classes these days. Second could be paid or restricted. Now, like you are all doing today. So what I did, I got your form done, registered, then I shared you a link. That link was of Zoom. I could have added one more security, a password to be done every time. So Zoom. Now on Zoom, it's not Zoom is always pay classes. People run free classes also on Zoom, but that depends on them. Right. But these have paid features. So Zoom, Google Meet, Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler. Now, all of you are aware about first two. What are Thinkific, Teachable, or Zenler? If anyone has an idea? Yes, anyone? Rishabh, Divya? Anyone has idea? Josia? Anita? Manoj? मनोज आप नहीं हो क्या?
तो सर यहाँ तो कभी नहीं सुना ये थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ.
Okay. Yes, Manoj. Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler.
I know about only Zoom, sir.
Okay. कल जैसे मैंने आपको रिकॉर्डिंग दी, तो मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे दी? YouTube पर थी, करेक्ट? Thinkific, Teachable और Zenler, these are called as LMS. लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स. इसमें आपको क्या मिलेगा? एक पासवर्ड और एक यूजर आईडी मिल जाएगा. सो इन दैट ओनली, थ्रू दैट ओनली यू कैन लॉग इन टू Zoom, करेक्ट? एंड थ्रू दैट ओनली यू कैन एवरीथिंग इज स्टोर्ड इन योर लॉगिन. जैसे कल का वीडियो, आज का वीडियो, एंड व्हाटएवर टॉपिक्स वी डिस्कस और वी सेंड. So you'll have a personal login with the whatever validity your trainer or your company gives you, right? So that you can anytime view that. But definitely these systems are paid. So now if you are paying for this, so definitely you will take it from your client also. So Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler, these are called as learning management systems. See, I'm rushing through these topics because I can understand you all are into jobs, so not really looking for this opportunity, but that was to be done. In case you have any questions still, you can anytime ask me on WhatsApp call. If it is from Nepal, if it is from India, local call. Now, payment, I told you. So one thing is your e-seva, what you are doing. If it is foreign payments, now we have certain clients for international. There is a mode called PayPal, right? There are some other gateways also, payment gateways like Instamozo, Razorpay. So you can accept payments through that also, right? Particularly in case of Nepal, there is some restriction. You cannot pay outside, but you can accept. And for that, PayPal is very good concept. Any questions you have? So we'll start with cubes then. Now you all have to answer. नींद आ रही है तो पानी पी लीजिए. I can understand. Story में आती है. Okay. Yes. So what is a cube of a number? Yes, Mr. Basant. What is cube of a number? Samyam, Manoj, Divya, Neelam.
Sir, multiply same number by 3 times.
Multiplying same number 3 times.
Multiplying same number 3 times. So n cube is equal to n into n into n. Correct.
Yes.
Now, if it is 1 cube, so that becomes 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. But if it is 2 cubes, it is 2 into 2 into 2, that becomes
8.
Right. So similarly, like we learned the table of finding squares, you need to remember this table of cubes. So please write down this first. Cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is, yes, 6 is all
126.
It is 126, not 126, ma'am. If cube of 5 is 125,
Sorry,
cube of 6 is
216.
2 and 6. 216.
7 is 343. Cube of 8 is 512. Cube of 9 is 729. And cube of 10 is 1000. Is it done? Is it clear? We need to remember this first. Okay. Now, written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Everyone has written?
Done.
Reena, Regina, all are joining again. That means they might have gone. Okay. Now, so to make it more interesting, first we'll start finding cubes of 2-digit numbers. Correct? So 2-digit numbers means right from 10 to 99. 10 we already know, so we'll be doing now from 11 to 99. Correct? Any doubt? Any question you have? Yes, Sheila, Rajina, Bina.
No
Manisha.
questions.
Okay.
No question, sir.
I'll make it very easy. I'll break these numbers 11 to 99 into 4 different parts. First group, I'll divide numbers starting with 1. So which are the numbers starting with 1?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19.
Up to 19.
Very good. Second, group 2, numbers ending with 1. So what are those numbers? 11,
21, 31,
11 is also there.
41, 51.
31, 51, etc. till
90.
81, 91.
Correct. Group 3, numbers having both digits same.
Same. 11, 22, 20,
11,
29.
33, 99. And group 4, all left out numbers. This is also an easy trick, but it is based on one sutra that is known as Anurupena Sutra. Anurupena, which means by ratio or by proportionality. Right. So that you will learn if you go for a higher level course in depth. But here it is very easy to understand. Written? Have you written all this? Okay. So we'll be starting with the first topic. Numbers starting with 1. Let's take a very simple example, 21. I'll write this answer into 4 steps. First step, make 4 spaces available. Second, write, sorry, I've written wrong here. 12 was starting with 1. First, I'll write 1 on the first position, second position 2. C, I'll write 1 here, 2 here. I'll find a square of 2. What is square of 2?
4.
What is square of 2? 4 here.
4.
And I'll write a cube of 2 here. What is cube of 2?
8. 8.
6. Yes, I have a question. Why did I opted for 4 positions? Why not 5? Why not 3? Yes, Manoj?
Because I think after square and cube there is no other number.
Yes, Manoj.
I only know about ratio and proportion, sir.
क्लास में ये कहोगे बच्चों को? आपने
सर मैं जनरली रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन मेथड ही करवाता हूँ बच्चे
सर
को।
ये नहीं, वो तो बहुत टफ मेथड पड़ जाता है ना।
ओके सर, तो जनरली मेरे पास जो बच्चे होते हैं मतलब 9th 10th के होते हैं तो वो उनको मैं यही मेथड रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन ही बताता हूँ।
जो आप बोल रहे हो ये बाद में सुनना, कैसा लगेगा अगर आपको आपका टीचर ये कहेगा।
I need more practice for all the syllabus, and after that I will do like you. Want to become like you.
Yes, Rachna, Divya. Why? This question you should have asked me. देखो ये तो अच्छा नहीं हो रहा ना कि मैं ही क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं ही आंसर दे रहा हूँ, आप सारे सो गए हैं। मेरे ख्याल क्लास ओवर कर दें अनाउंस?
No, sir.
Yes, Bina, should we announce it over?
No,
Reach
sir.
out. You are all sleeping. बसंत सर क्या लग रहा है आपको? आपका स्टाफ सो गया सारा? Only Neelam is answering one more. Yes, Josie, you're sleeping. Canada बहुत ठंड है. Okay, I'll give it later on. Now, I have received up till 148. Now, what is to be done is like we left the first digit in squares also. Here, these two middle terms you have to focus and you have to write double of this. What is double of 2?
4.
What is double of 4?
8.
8.
And add it. So it becomes 8. It becomes 12. 12 means 1 goes there. It becomes 7.
5, 7, 9.
So 1, 7, 2, 8 the answer. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, let me.
So I didn't understand last.
I'll make you understand. No issues. See. Take another example 13. I'll not write 4 steps now. First 1, then 3. What is square of 3?
9.
2 of 3, 27. Correct? Double this. 6, 18. Correct? So this is 1, 9, 27, 27. Now can you balance? Balance means this, 1, 2. Now it's fine. Yes, Neelam, Divya, Rajina. Otherwise, what was the option? 13 multiplied by 13. So I will get.
So what about 6 and 18? That one numbers, how did it come? I don't understand.
Double of this. Double of middle term. Double of middle terms.
Hello.
Yes.
Middle numbers.
Middle terms. अब समझ आया?
सर हम लोग 12 या मतलब इवन नंबर लिए तो हम लोग ने 1 2 4 डबल लिया 8 और अभी 13 है इसीलिए 1 3 9 27 लिया क्या ऐसा है क्या?
आप इसका मतलब नहीं सुन रहे हो.
वही
3 का स्क्वायर क्या आया?
9.
पहले स्क्वायर लिया फिर क्यूब लिया बस. रट्टा नहीं मारना 2 का 4 और वो नहीं.
ओके इसी का 3 का क्लियर
लिखा था मैंने, आपने इसलिए ध्यान नहीं दिया ना. कोई बात. ये देखो. ओके 3 का क्यूब निकालना है अगर सपोज तो क्या आएगा? 1 5
5 25
25 1 to 5
यहाँ क्या आया? 50
50 13
1 15 75
25
125. So 5 is 7 8 goes here, so 3. Correct? देखो ये 12 गया तो कितना हुआ? 87. तो 7 आ गया. 8 गया तो 23. तो 3 आ गया. 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 3375.
3.
Now it's clear?
Clear.
Okay, please then if it is clear, find out for 14 cube.
14. Sir, is the answer 2216?
Wrong.
Oh, cube.
क्या हो गया? कुछ और सोच रहे थे?
मैं इसको ऐसे कर रही थी तो.
Very good. नींद आ गई थी बीच में.
No, sir. I heard 14 square.
Yes, Neelam, Sheila, what is the answer, Manoj?
24, 4, 2, 4, 4.
इतना देर.
2744.
Yes. But think so much of time you are taking. It was very simple. 14 means 1, 4.
8.
Then what is square of 4? 16.
16.
What is cube of 4?
64.
Here is 12.
2184.
64. 48. 12. 1. So 4 here, 6 goes here, it becomes 54. So again 4. Correct. 5 goes here, it becomes 7. 1 goes here, 2. How many seconds I am taking? I am taking 10 seconds and you're taking 2 minutes. Why? Yes, Rishabh?
Sir, I was just telling answer.
Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now clear, sir.
Now clear. Very good. Okay, now if it is clear, please find out for 17. Yes, please tell me the answer. So only one is present.
So 4913.
Manoj, it is your wish.
Four, 9, 1, 3.
Great. Right. So now is it clear? Now can we do for all numbers starting with 1? So that means 11 to 19. Can we do? Yes, can we do?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So let's go for the opposite way. If number is ending with 1, again, 4 spaces first. Second, earlier I started from this side, now I can start from this side. 1 at the out, 2 here. 3. Again, square of 2 is 4.
4.
Cube of 2 is 8. 8, 4, 2, 1. D part. Again, the middle terms, double it. 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4. So what it becomes? 1, 6, 2, 9. Did you understand? Yes, did you understand?
Sir.
Was there any doubt? Yes, Rishabh. Manoj,
So can you say it one more time?
yes, I'll do. Manoj, you can go for tuition, not an issue. See, first is
Thank you, sir.
last digit 1. Earlier for 12, I started from this side, from left. Now I'm starting from right hand side. So 1 here, 2 here. What is square of 2? Again 4. And cube of 2? 8.
8.
I have to double the middle terms, that's all. And add it. So it's a game. And see how easy it becomes. Otherwise, you can check 21 into 21, how much time will take. And then again with 21. And here you're just playing with numbers. That is what is, I told you. And again, for cubes also, there are 5 different techniques. It's not, I did one, so I'll teach one. No. Because for some numbers, that trick might not work also. It might become tough. So we don't have to be rigid enough. You know, I know only one. Then we are befooling our students. We have to check it out here. What is best for our students? Correct. Done. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
सब
Yes,
थक
sir. It's clear.
गए हैं, ज्यादा थक गए। कैसे करेंगे और?
नहीं सर, थके नहीं है, थोड़ा धीरे बोलने की कोशिश है सर।
31 क्यूब। मैं भी धीरे बोलूं तो आवाज कैसे जाएगी नीलम?
1319.
1, 3, 9, 27, 6, 18. So 1, 9, 7, 2 here, 2, 9. How easily you can do. So only one person is, I think, actively participating. He's solving all the questions.
Here, here, sir.
थोड़ी सी गलती हुई है।
1396.
3 plus 6.
3 plus 6, 9.
Double 8 double.
Clear? बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है अगर ध्यान दें। Done? Please try for 51 cube now.
सर आंसर इज 132651। मैं कैरी फॉरवर्ड और प्लस में गड़बड़ हो रहा है, मुझे उसी में प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा।
1 कैसे आ गया?
5 का 3125 सबसे मैंने क्या किया आप बताऊं सर? सबसे ऊपर वाली लाइन में 1 5 25 125 आया, नीचे 5 का डबल 10, 25 का डबल 50।
1 3 2 6 5 1
132651 राइट सर, यही आंसर।
कॉन्फिडेंस रखो ना, घबराना नहीं है। There is a concept known as digit sum जो आपको वेरीफाई करा देगा आंसर विद इन 2 seconds. There are techniques in Vedic maths Done? Chalo, last question
Yes, sir.
of this type, 91. Please do it. Last. Then we'll go for other two methods. Before that, I'll tell you what you'll be learning if you go for complete training programs. थके तो नहीं ना? 1 घंटा और चलें?
Seven, 4, 5, 3, 8, 1.
7.
4, 5, 3, 8, 1.
7, 3, 3. I think I
7,
got
5,
it.
3, 5, 7, 1.
Yes, she is correct. 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 1.
Sir, can you do it? I think I got it wrong again. I do it wrong. I have done it wrong.
What is square of 9?
7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 1.
Square of 9 is 81.
Okay. 1, 9, 81. What is
9,
square of 9?
Square. Square of 81, sir?
7 to 9.
Square of 9. आपको अभी तक पता ही नहीं है इसका मतलब क्या कर रहे हो?
7 to 9.
Then 1, 6, 2. Then
Oh,
18.
18.
1,
1,
27.
7.
2, 4, 3.
243. 729. So क्या हुआ? 1, 7, 5, 24 goes here. So it becomes 3, 5, 7. Finish. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's right.
Actually, huh? Okay, so first I'll tell you what all we'll be learning if we what is in the teachers training module, right? So today we learned just some points. I'll give you. Now teacher training program is around 70 hours, right? 68 to 70 hours program is there. We generally conduct classes either weekend or weekdays. Weekend means only Saturdays and Sundays. Weekdays means Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There are 3 timings. 9:30 to 11:30 in the morning, 6 to 8 in the evening, or you have 9 to 11 in the evening. Now on December 2, a batch is starting 9 to 11 p.m. Right, so that will take around 3.5, 4 weeks. Now first stop. See, the books have been divided into 6 steps. First topic, introduction, just like we started yesterday, terminology, finding the complement, finding the digital root. Just now I said, like you people face problem in getting that confidence. Am I right or am I wrong? If you have that problem, think about the students. So there is very easy way, which is known as digit sum, digital root. Within 1 second, you can judge whether your answer is correct or not. It is very good technique for all the students so that they never lose confidence. So, but again, missing in our normal mathematics. So in Vedic maths, this is a solution. Then we did yesterday, we did this topic 8th and 9th from first step, right? Then we have addition, then we have vinculum numbers. We have simultaneous addition and subtraction. So generally 8 to 10 hours we do give on this step 1. And like you did homework yesterday, if you see that group, everybody is submitting the homework because the more you'll do, more practice you'll get. Second day will start, is the step 2, in which we'll start with multiplication of numbers. Now multiplication, not in a normal manner like you do, in a easy way, in verbal. How it becomes verbal? For example, if you ask me now 99 into 99, that is 9801. 103 into 103, so that is 106 and 0. So this way you have to be fast. And that is within seconds you can calculate. This is known as Nikhilam multiplication. Second book works on that. So again, 3 to 4 classes we give on that of 2 hours each. Third is what we learned yesterday. Only 8th topic and 9th we did from 3rd level yesterday. Otherwise, a normal multiplications, like you asked for 2-digit number, 13 into 14 kaise karna hai. So 13 into 14 can be done by that Nikhilam technique also. And here it is called as Urdhva Sutra. उसके तो 2 जनरल टेक्निक्स हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन की, उसके अलावा एक्स्ट्रा डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स हैं, जैसे 9999 की टेक्निक है, 11 की टेक्निक है, 111 की टेक्निक है, 101 1001 या 12 to 19 की है. फिर अलजेब्रा, सी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, दे गेट कंफ्यूज. अर्थमेटिक किसी तरह घिसा लेते हैं, बट अलजेब्रा में जाते ही फंस जाते हैं, क्योंकि दे डोंट lose the patience and writing 4 steps they get confused. Here you can write the answer in one single line. So algebraic multiplication is very easy with the help of Vedic mathematics, right? So these were 3 steps. Fourth we'll be doing doubling, halving. एक concept है, that is known as all from 9 and last from 10. That is very useful for money transactions. Subtraction का topic है, but it is widely used for money transaction. Then see now squares, right from 4th to 15. All these are tricks for finding squares. The first is Anrupena method for finding the square of 2-digit number, then duplex method, then 6th was what we did today, that easy trick. 7th we did today, Ikadikena Purvena. 8th was any digit starting with 5, then 50, 500, 5000, ending with 6, 4, 25. Yavaduman method. We also did this one, 11th universal. Again, algebraic scaring, duplex. Then just now we did 18th, cubes of 2 digits. So these are topics which we cover in 4th book. 5th, we'll start with division. There are several methods, but still HCF, LCM is also very easy. Fraction, multiplication, divisibility. Yes, math teachers, can I ask you a question? How to find the divisibility of 7, 13, 20 is 9, 31? There is no way. In maths, we don't have answer to this, but in Vedic maths, we have an answer. In maths, we don't have an answer to even simultaneous addition and subtraction. That means if 5 numbers are given to you or 6 numbers are given, you cannot simultaneously add and subtract. You will either make positive together, negative together, and then you'll do. So simultaneous is not possible, but in Vedic maths, that is also possible. So whatever were the doubts, whatever was the problems in our mathematics, they all are resolved in Vedic maths. Or you can say in the other way, it was in, everything was possible in Vedic maths, but we took maths from European countries, and that is where we are finding difficult. Then square roots, cube roots. I told you square roots can be just find out with visual ability. Just dekha or find out kar liya, right? So there are different techniques for this. Even 10-digit number aap dekh ke find out kar sakte ho. Cube roots, square roots, and quadratic equation, polynomials, calendar. How to find day of your when you were born. I can give you within seconds. Right. So that is then magic squares, 3 by 3. These all you can see in the homework also. People have submitted, my students have submitted, right? So these are the 6 steps we learn. So we learn entire arithmetic, squares, cubes, square root, cube root, as well as algebra. Somebody was asking me geometry, no. Trigonometry, no. Why? Because that is not required. People, you will not have clientage for that. If you want to learn, that is in our advanced module. But I need 6 students for that to teach. And I have observed that people don't go for that. Right now, we'll be starting one batch on 2nd of December. So that would be from 9 to 11. Right. So this is, so whosoever would be interested, they can let me know. Regarding the fees for the students who have enrolled, for them, it is only, I'll give you, okay. I'll tell you about the fees, but we can. So it is 14,999 for 6 steps, and you will get all the things. If you are learning from me, you don't need to make designs, everything would be free for you, right? So, but personally, you can ask me if you have the query, right? Now coming to the second last topic, cubes. When numbers are same. For example, 11, 22, 33. Can you give me any hint how it is to be done? Anyone? Neelam? सोचो. Yes, Basanta, Rachna.
1 से तो स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, ये श्योर है।
1 तो है ही नहीं, अगर 22 लिया, ये सबसे इजी है। Suppose the question is 22. What is cube of 2?
4.
Who gave 4? Rishabh.
8.
Just write
Oh, sorry, cube. Sorry.
Every position. Just write cube of on every position. Last step is always same. So 8, 24, 24, 8. So that is 8, 4, 6, 10. Finish. So if you are asked for 33, then what is cube of 3? 27. So 27, 27, 27, 27.
27 का double.
54. Finish. So it's the most easiest thing. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or anyone has a doubt? Done? Okay. Okay, one thing more. If you have registered and if you missed any part of the session, you can join next time also. But next time it would be on Saturday and Sunday only. Right. If you missed any part of the workshop or you want to join again also to learn something, Saturday and Sunday you can join, but only possible if you have registered this time.
35937. 33 का.
Yes, everybody. सब सो गए. चलो, कोई बात नहीं. Yes, 66 का. सुशील, अब तो आपका भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा. आ गया. ऋषभ, डिफिकल्ट है ये अभी. अब तो बहुत इजी है. Yes.
Three 309. ये क्या? 496. 309,496.
कैसे? What is cube of 6?
216.
216. 216.
216. 216.
287496.
Yes. So answer is 287496. Check karo aap, Neelam. I think all of you are in hurry, so let me also conclude. Let me give you the last method. Because I'm not getting answer, Sushil. थकना मुझे चाहिए, आपको नहीं. आप तो आराम से बैठे हो.
सर मेरी गलती मैंने ढूंढ ली.
वेरी गुड. सी गलती पता चल जाए फिर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. चलो लास्ट देते हैं. 99 का एक बार निकाल लीजिए. 99 क्यूब. 729. 729. 729. Find out. Done? Yes, Uma, great. Uma, आपने रजिस्टर किया था?
970299.
70299.
Uma, did you registered? Because I have not seen your name. Okay, maybe today I'll see to it. Okay. Now the last one. If number does not fall into this category, 23, it does not fall. Sorry, 24, it does not fall. Then what to do? Then you have to work hard. You have to remember the formula. A cube, A square B, B square A, B cube. Now, if you remember what we were doing, we were doubling this. So what does that mean? 2 square B, 2B square A. What is this becoming? A cube, 3A square B, 3B square A, B cube. Remember this formula? Oh, bus. Remember this formula or not?
अभी recall हो रहा है sir.
Whole cube. Correct. So let's say. So हम यही करेंगे, यही follow करेंगे, so that it becomes easy. So in case of A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. So what is A cube? 8. A square. Okay, I'll write. A square means 2 into 2 into 3. B square A means 3 into 3 into 2. And B cube means
12167.
3 into 3 into 3. So this was 27. This was 18. This was 12. This was 8. So क्या करते हैं? इसको double करना है. 24, 36. So 27, 54, 36.
12167.
Sorry, come again.
सर आई थिंक सिली क्वेश्चन होगा, लेकिन मुझे एक बात समझना है। 3a² b का 2 into 2 into 3 कैसे हुआ सर ये चीज?
मैंने ये वाली लाइन ली है, ये तो ली ही नहीं, क्योंकि दोबारा
ओके सर, यस, क्लियर।
वो तो ली ही नहीं ना। सो 7 का 7 रह गया, 6 हो गया, 5 उधर गया तो 41 हुआ, 1 4 आगे गया तो 12। वो इसलिए नहीं लिया, आप सीधा फॉर्मूला याद करोगे तो बाकी इजी नहीं होंगे ना। बाकी जिस पैटर्न पे हम चल रहे हैं वही पैटर्न कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो हम कभी भी गलत नहीं होंगे। क्लियर?
क्लियर।
Okay, one more. You do it, and then we'll now do 37 cube. So what is first? You need to find 3 cube. That is 27. What is 7 cube? Yes, बोलिए।
343।
ठीक है। और क्या निकालना है? 3 square into 7, तो 9 into 7 आपको पता ही है कितना होगा?
63।
7 square into 9 means 49 into 9 कितना होगा? ये आप निकालोगे, मैं नहीं निकाल। And then your answer is there. Find out. Yes, what is the answer? थक गए? 3.5 hours. Yes, Basant sir.
I'm doing, sir.
थक गए क्या?
Sir, it's 50653.
Yes. Good, Tanisha.
Five 50653.
Perfect. Anyone has any doubt now? Rest I leave to you for practice. Any questions you have, you ask me now. Yes, Basant sir, कोई question है before we end the session?
No, sir. We're learning.
All clear? Anyone?
I request all of the teachers, you have any queries, please ask to sir.
No, sir.
I'm again giving you my WhatsApp number. Whatever query you will have, please ask me anytime you feel. This is my WhatsApp number. I've written 701-576-1074. Correct. Nepal number also is there, but that won't work right now. When I'll be in Nepal next week, then I'll give that. Any further queries? Any question? Uma, Beena, Sushma, Rachna, Josie. Josie, did you understand now?
इससे पहले वाला एक बार स्लाइड वापस कीजिए ना, मैं कोई स्टेप भूली हुई लग रही है इसलिए।
सब उड़ा दिया, डिलीट कर दिया मैंने। आप मुझे बोल दो, मैं दोबारा लिख दूंगा। ये
यस सर, ये
चलो, it was wonderful. All of you were so patient. Yes, answers कम दिए, it's okay, but you need to work on that. You need to work on content and delivery both, because I believe whosoever is learning, he is there to become a trainer. He's there to guide somebody, right? So we need to work on that one. So thank you very much. If you have any queries, you can connect me back anytime. Thank you very much. Have a great
Thank you so
day
much, sir.
ahead, and bye-bye. Okay.